Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your quote preferences on Jerry, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your quote preferences on Jerry, start by opening the Jerry app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, log in using your credentials. On the home screen, locate the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Quote Preferences section. Select Quote Preferences to open the settings menu. Here, you will see various options related to your insurance quotes. Review the options available to customize your preferences. You can choose different coverage levels, deductible amounts, and insurance types. Make your selections based on your personal needs and budget. Once you've made your choices, look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Save button to apply your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your preferences have been updated. If needed, return to the main menu by tapping the back arrow or home icon. That's it. You've successfully updated your quote preferences on Jerry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.